Lean to the side and around. Sweep. What's up, this is Vincanity and welcome to VincaniTV, the channel that teaches you about breaking and the hip hop culture. Today we're going to be learning the more advanced technique of going from a backspin to a cricket freeze. Last time we were here, we worked on basically the basic motion and guideline of turning to a cricket. Today we're going to be putting it into action with the backspin, which is going to allow us to actually continue into the windmill. If you have not yet, make sure you watch that previous video first before continuing. That is going to set you up for being able to do this successfully. Also, if you don't know how to do a backspin, make sure you learn a backspin before learning this video, because that is also an important part of doing this. Before we start this video, if you can, please press the like button to help push the YouTube algorithm and push this video to new audiences. It will really help me out. And also, if you need extra help with your breaking, make sure you click the link below, hop into one of my weekly beginner or intermediate breaking classes, and I'll see you soon. All right, let's get down to the floor. All right, y'all, so before continuing with this video, a couple of things that will help. A beanie to make sure you don't get any burns on the side of your head or on your forehead, and also a jacket, shirt, or sweater that is dry. When it gets wet, it makes things a little bit more difficult. Today, we're not gonna be spinning like crazy, but it does help to have a drier surface, all right? So let's go ahead and start. We're gonna put on our beanies, and we're actually gonna start with the technique that we learned last time. Let's just do a quick review. We start on our backs, we lift our hips up, we rotate towards our cricket freeze hand, landing just like this, all right? Basically, we're gonna do that same exact motion, but from a backspin, okay? So we're gonna first do this super slow and incorporate that technique with our backspin motion. So let's start with our backspin. We're gonna start leaning to the side. We're gonna reach our body over all the way till we get to the ground. We're gonna kick this leg in a big circle all the way around till we get to our back. And then basically from here, we're gonna use our upper body to turn ourselves, just like we practiced in our previous video, all the way to here. And so this first round, go ahead and utilize your legs as training wheels. Let your legs guide you, let them touch the floor, allow them to, help you do this motion better. Okay, ready? Starting from here. Number 2, ready? We go around slowly. Take your time with this. Kick around in a big circle around your body. Both legs get up. You use your upper body to turn, start rotating to here. Let your leg, again, if you need to put your leg on the floor, let it touch the floor. And to here. Okay? Let's do that again. Ready? Number 3. And around. Kick that leg in a big circle. Up here. Start to rotate. Boom. Number 4, let's try to hover this leg off the ground. That leg that's the same as the pilot, or same as the cricket, let's make sure that leg hovers over the ground. Ready? Let's go around to our back and rotate. Again, this leg is okay to touch the floor, but let's keep this leg off the floor. Okay? Last one. Ready? Slow and controlled. Around to here. Up. And rotate again to your cricket position to here. Once you get this down, this is kind of like the outline of the actual motion. And basically what we want to try to do is do that same motion, do a slight little kick. That's gonna allow us to lift up off the ground, okay? When we do that kick, let's just go back to our back position. Our legs are basically gonna kick like this, right? Just a little bit. If you kick too crazy, you're gonna, lift up way too high. But that just a slight kick that's gonna lift your hips up even higher and allow you to turn. That lift and the turn have to happen at the same time. If you kick and then turn, your lower body will go up, your upper body will try to turn, and it won't go anywhere. You kind of have to make them work together. So Let's try it. Ready? Let's go slow. Ready? Going here, around, kick, lift, and turn. Right? You see it? It's kind of a lift and turn at the same time. Ready? Let's go again. Ready? Starting position. Reach around, get that kick, big circle, lift, and turn. Okay? Let's go again. Number 3. Starting position. Reach around, kick, lift, and turn. Okay? And if you notice, I'm not really kicking super hard, right? I'm really utilizing the swing of my leg in a complete circle, and that gives me enough momentum so that when I do that slight little kick, it aids in my turn. Okay? Let's do it 2 more times. Ready? Here we go. Around, and kick, up, land. 1 more time. Starting position, swing around, and kick, up, land. Nice job, nice job. Okay, once you get comfortable with this, basically this is when you enter the big leagues, right? You basically are gonna do that same kick over, but land with your legs off of the floor. Okay, right now our legs are like training wheels, they're guiding us, they're helping us, but when you do the actual motion, your legs do not touch the floor. Windmills, your legs do not touch the floor. So we gotta practice that, okay? This last run, again, I would highly suggest wearing your beanie because your head will slide on the floor, okay? Here we go. First one, do not swing too hard, right? You do want a nice swing, but don't try to go your fastest. Go like a medium speed, okay? Here we go, starting position, and it goes. Swing, catch. Let's go again, ready? Number 2, around, swing, catch. Number 3, ready? Legs out, and nice swing, catch. And number 4, legs out, and around, swing, catch. All right, and last one, let's really try to think of our form. Let's try to keep our legs straight. This time, let's try to not let them touch the floor. Ready? Lean to the side and around. Sweep. Awesome job, y'all. So that is 1/2 of your windmill practice, right? If you could get comfortable with this, you are gonna be on the right track to doing successful windmills in the future, okay? I would highly suggest practicing this a lot, meaning do it at every practice, at the beginning of your practice, at the end of your practice. Get comfortable with it so it's just like second nature to you. Once you get that down, the last step would be learning how to drop into the windmill, into that backspin from that cricket position, okay? So keep working hard. I know you will all get there very soon, all right? If you need extra help with your breaking, make sure you hop into one of my beginner or intermediate breaking classes. This past couple months, we have been focusing on learning windmills. In the future, we have lots and lots of fun stuff that I'm gonna be sharing with you. So make sure you hop into one of my beginner or intermediate classes soon. And if you have not yet, make sure you press the like and subscribe button to help really push this video to new audiences, all right? Lastly, if you want to show some support for this channel, you can by rocking your very own VincaniTV merch. I have lots of different shirts from different artists that you could buy and wear while you practice, all right? Hope you enjoy this video, and I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.